Let's talk about the second derivative test. We have our function g of x along with its corresponding second derivative. Let's talk about concavity. There are two types of concavities. There is either concave down or there is concave up. We can see that this function has both of them. So how can we tell concavity? Here, g of x is concave down when the second derivative is less than 0 or negative. Also, a function is concave up when the second derivative is greater than 0 or positive. When a function changes concavity, this is called an inflection point, and this is when our second derivative is equal to 0. So if we were to write this out all nicely, we have g of x is concave down on negative infinity to negative 0.33, and we know this because the second derivative is less than 0 on that interval. Similarly, g of x is concave up on negative 0.33 to infinity because the second derivative is greater than 0 on that interval. We also have an inflection point at x equals negative 0.33 because the second derivative is equal to 0 at that point. So that's how we apply the second derivative test.